Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Enlightening all beings and causing them to develop oceans of virtues. At that time, the footstep-following spirit precious symbol, imbued with the Buddha's power, surveyed all the assembled footstep-following spirits and said in verse, Buddha practiced for innumerable eons, making offerings to all the Buddhas, his mind always joyful, never wearied, his joy as deep and vast as the sea. His spiritual powers, active every moment, are immeasurable. He produces lotuses of various fragrances, with Buddhas sitting on them, traveling all over. Lotus light sees it all. The teaching of the Buddhas is thus. The vast assemblies fill all directions. They show mystic powers which can't be assessed. This supreme flower clearly perceives. In all places, in the 10 directions, with every step he takes, he can develop all beings. This beautiful visions understands. He manifests bodies numerous as beings. Each of these bodies fills the universe, all shedding pure light and showering jewels. This liberation star banner enters into. The realm of the Buddha has no bounds. He showers the rain of truth, filling all. Seeing the Buddha, the masses rejoice. This is what's seen by sublime sound. The Buddha's voice is equal in extent to space. All sounds and voices are contained therein. It tames sentient beings, extending to all. Thus can sandalwood hear. All his pores emit magical sounds, extolling the names of Buddhas of all times. All who hear these sounds are delighted. Thus does lotus light see. The disguised appearances of the Buddha are inconceivable. His physical forms are like the ocean, causing all to see according to mentality. This is what subtle light apprehends, displaying great mystic powers everywhere. He enlightens all beings. Fine flowers, seeing this truth, becomes joyful at heart.